Hello friend, today we shall discuss about topic earned value analysis. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. Friend, earned value analysis EVA is a project management technique used to measure a project performance and progress. It combines measurements of project scope, schedule and cost to provide a clear picture of how a project is doing, so that you can have a clear idea about the project performance, whether you are going as per the plan or not, or you are behind the schedule. The key concepts of earned value analysis are planned value PV, which is basically the estimated value of work planned to be done by a certain time. Earned value EV, the estimated value of the work actually completed by a certain time. Actual cost, the actual money spent on the work completed by a certain time. Now let's take an example. Let's talk about the formula used in EVA. First one is the schedule variance SV, measures how much ahead or behind schedule the project is, which is basically SV is equal to EV minus PV. That means schedule variance is equal to earned value minus planned value. If SV is greater than 0, that means you are ahead of schedule. If SV is less than 0, that means you are behind schedule. Cost variance measures how much under or over budget the project is. CV is equal to earned value minus actual cost. So if CV is greater than 0, that means under budget. If CV is less than 0, that means over budget. Another formula is schedule performance index, that is SPI, which indicate schedule efficiency. That means SPI is equal to earned value divided by planned value. If SPI is greater than 1, that means ahead of a schedule. If SPI is less than 1, that means behind a schedule. Another formula is cost performance index CPI, which indicates cost efficiency, which means CPI is equal to earned value divided by actual cost. If CPI is greater than 1, that means under budget. If CPI is less than 1, that means over budget. Now let's talk about an example. Let's say you are managing a project to build a small house. The total budget is $100K and the project is scheduled to be completed in 10 months. So let's assume that 5 months have been passed. So you are standing at the position when 5 months are already passed. So planned value PV, by month 5 you plan to have completed 50%. Why? Because it is of 10 months is the total month. So if you are standing at 5 months, so project should be completed 50%. So PV is equal to 0.5 divided by times 100K. So it will be $50K. Okay, then earned value EV, by month 5 you have actually completed 40% of the work. So EV is equal to 0.5 divided by times 100K. So that means $40,000. Actual cost AC, by month 5 you have spent 45,000. So actual cost is equal to $45,000. Now let's calculate the key performance indicators. Schedule variance SV is equal to EV minus PV. That means 40,000 minus 50,000 is equal to minus 10,000. That means the project is $10,000 worth of work behind schedule. Okay, that means you are behind schedule. Another thing, cost variance CV is equal to EV minus AC. That means 40,000 minus 45,000 is equal to minus $5,000. So that means project is $5,000 over budget. So you have spent more than $5,000 more than the plan. Then schedule performance index XPI is equal to EV divided by PV. That means 40,000 divided by 50,000 is equal to 0.8. So the project is progressing at 80% of the planned rate behind schedule. Okay, then cost performance index CPI is equal to EV divided by AC is equal to 40,000 divided by 45,000 is equal to 0.89. That means for every dollar spent, the project is getting 0.89 worth of work done over budget. So that means you are over budget. Now if we talk about in summary, so a schedule variance is equal to minus $10,000. So that means you are behind schedule. Cost variance is equal to minus $5,000. So that means you are over budget. Schedule performance index SPI is 0.8, means you are behind schedule, and cost performance index CPI is 0.8, means that you are over budget. So Friend, that means you have to adjust the schedule. Since the project is behind schedule, you might need to reallocate resources or extend deadlines. Cost control means being over budget suggests the need to find ways to reduce cost or increase efficiency. Forecasting means EVA can help forecast future performance and completion cost, aiding in more informed decision making. So, earned value analysis provides a comprehensive way to monitor project performance, making it easier to identify issues early and take corrective actions to keep the project on track.